Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Latitude won't turn on, you're not alone. This is a common issue often caused by a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or internal hardware failures. If left unresolved, it can lead to a complete failure of your device, leaving you without access to important files and applications. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and, if necessary, a replacement battery or power adapter. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Place your Dell Latitude on a flat, static-free surface. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of your laptop. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once you have access to the internals, visually inspect the battery and power connector. Often, the battery can be the source of power issues. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To remove the battery, locate the locking tabs on either side and slide them outwards while lifting the battery away from the device. If the power adapter is your concern, check the connection port for debris or damage. If everything seems intact, you may need to look for other internal components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Check the motherboard connections and ensure everything is seated properly. If you need to replace the motherboard, gently disconnect any attached cables and remove the screw securing it in place. Carefully lift the motherboard out, ensuring no wires are caught. When replacing components, be cautious not to strip screws or force any connections. Once everything is reassembled, make sure to securely close the back cover. Finally, plug in your device and press the power button to see if it turns on. If the Dell Latitude powers up, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to regularly check your battery health and keep your power adapter in good condition. Avoid overcharging your device and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against electrical issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.